Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can reveal the Yolo anonymous names that sent you messages. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some anonymous messages that were sent to me. And I'm going to go ahead and go on YoloReveal.pro so I can reveal the names of these anonymous messages that were sent to me. And it's very simple, just open up your web browser and go on YoloReveal.pro. So I'm going to go ahead and type that link in. It's YoloReveal.pro. Alright. So once I enter that link, you guys will see this is the website where I can reveal the YOLO usernames of all the people who sent me anonymous messages. So let's go ahead and get started. And first, you're going to want to type in your YOLO username, which I'm going to do right here. And then you can select if you want emails, which I don't want. Obviously, I want usernames on so I can see their usernames, and then I can hit next. And now what it's going to do is connect to the YOLO database and fetch my account. And then once it gets to my account, it's going to reveal all of the names of people who have ever sent me messages. And then that way it can get that token to reveal the names once this process is complete. So we're going to go ahead and wait for this to get to 100%. And once it's at 100%, that entire process I talked to you guys just now about with the database is going to be complete. So it's very fast process. You guys can see here I'm already at 100% in just a few seconds, and now it is done. So once it's done, I'm gonna have to do human verification. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit verify now. And the reason there's human verification on the website is so bots don't abuse this tool and overload the servers. And it's very easy to do the human verification. Just install 2 apps from this list and follow the instructions below each app you install. So for the first app, we're going to go ahead and install Paint by Numbers Color Games. We're going to click that app and it's going to redirect us to this page right here, which is the App Store. And then I can start installing the first app. Then I'll go back onto the list of apps and choose the second app, since you have to install 2 apps. And the second app I'm going to choose is iHeartRadio. So now I'll just install the second app and wait for the installation of both of these apps to complete so I can begin the human verification process. Alright, so I see the first app is done installing, and now the second app, it's a very small app, both of these apps are, so you guys can see it's installing very quickly. So once that goes ahead and installs, I can start the human verification process on these apps. Alright, so for the first app, iHeartRadio, I'm just going to go ahead and sign up for an account. So what I'm going to do here is sign up for an account and make sure I'm on the app for at least 30 seconds. So I'm going to click that red sign up free button, and now I'm going to go ahead and enter an email that I own, and then I can go ahead and hit next once I'm done typing it. Alright, and now it's asking for me to type in a password, which I'll do here. Birth year, gender, zip code, and now I've completed the sign up process. And now I'm just going to make sure I'm on the app for at least 30 seconds. So it's been about 20 seconds, so for the remaining 10 seconds I'm going to do human interactions on this app. But I always like to go over a little over 30 seconds just to make sure the human verification goes through successfully. So that's why I'm on this app a little longer than 30 seconds. So I'm just scrolling through the categories, and once I'm done, I can just go on to the next app. So I've already completed the human verification on the first app, which is iHeartRadio, and now I'm on the second app, which is Color Games. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We're just going to click the X button. You don't have to sign up for any free trial or membership. It's completely free. So I just hit the X button, and now we're just going to make sure we're on this app for at least 30 seconds. So there's a little ad here. That's fine. That counts during the 30 seconds when you're watching an ad, but you want to make sure when you can interact with the app that you're interacting with it, because that's how you pass the human verification. So it's 2 seconds left. Actually, I can hit the X button, and now we can start drawing. So I'm just doing human interactions, and I can just do that just by drawing on the app. And yeah, let's go ahead and start drawing. All right, let's go with red. Okay, I don't know what's going on. It's like bugging out, but I'm doing human interactions. That's all that matters, and there seems to be a lot of ads on this app for whatever reason, but it's been over 30 seconds, so we can get off that app. And we have successfully completed the human verification on both apps, and now those anonymous names are revealed, and I can actually see the usernames of the people who sent me these messages thinking they were anonymous. But little did they know that I could use YOLO reveal.pro to reveal their usernames. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just remember to follow all the instructions and go on YOLO reveal.pro to reveal the anonymous messages on YOLO.